Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Jasmy update for Saturday. The weekend is here and the weekend is always crazy, or perhaps this time is going to be boring. But for Jasmy, things are looking different. We've talked about what Jasmy can potentially do in the next coming days. We've got a pattern that everyone is watching right now. So all eyes on this pattern and all eyes on whether it's going to break or not. And my take about it is that if you want to break it up, you want to retest successfully, and once you retest, everything goes better. Now, some few days ago, we talked about the EMAs. The EMAs looking superb. You got a bull cross, you got amazing EMA crossover. That's actually pretty good. But if we really need something to go to the upside, this is just a pattern, but we cannot get a confirmation biasness that we're going to continue higher, because what I want to see is a break above, come for the retest, boom, push to the upside, and that would be really, really good, and you might end up having some very nice profits out of this coin at the moment. But right now you're at the very, very big resistance. As a matter of fact, I saw the 1 hour time frame and how the 1 hour time frame is going to look like. Here we go. The 1 hour time frame is looking like this. You got this touches. Let's first of all remove the EMAs, and on the near time frame here, you go one touch, you go one touch here, you go one touch there, you go one touch, and another big rejection. So we probably really need to see on the 1 hour time frame if Jasmy can manage to break above this and come down for the retest like this. And you got a technical target, which is a very small target to begin with, and it's a technical target of just this right shoulder. Okay, that's the right shoulder. When you zoom out, you got a bigger inverse head and shoulder, right? So you have two different targets. One is the main target, which is actually up here, and that's the pattern on the daily. Now the pattern on the 1 hour time frame is a little bit different, and we're going to see the 1 hour time frame pattern is going to take you from this place to that place. So what is it going to be like up here? So we have an opportunity for Jasmy, and you can see that it's 0.008543, and that's going to be a reward if it does come down here for nearly 24%. So we're talking about 24%, and if you include the main target, which is actually up here, then that's even more. That's more like a 50-60% move to the upside, right? So going back into the 4 hour time frame as well, it's evident that right now you still are at a very big resistance right now, and it's really, really important to see if we can break above the resistance and continue higher. That would be amazing. You will see Jasmy absolutely taking over one more time. So for me personally, it's a nice pattern. We need a breakout, and for some reason you might even say that you got really, really, really another very big pattern. You got patterns within patterns. Look at that. Just look at that. Okay, this is more like a bump and run. You can see that it's just a matter of breaking above, and boom, you got a little bit of a target. You got one target here, and then you got another target coming up here. So I just find out that you got a new pattern as well. So from there to there, my goodness, we're talking about a move up to 0.022, and that's gonna be like even 200 to 300% move to the upside. That's incredible. So it's all about breaking up. And by the way, you've broken the downtrend. Of course, you do have the chances to even come up here, but I do believe Jasmy does have the ability to come here. I just don't know when. It's a matter of when, but it can actually go there if the market actually behaves and starts to recover back up. And I do expect the market to recover. Things are good. Okay, signs are really good right now overall. Even the stock markets are looking good. And do watch the Bitcoin update to get to understand why we can get Bitcoin all the way back up to $69,000. So if Bitcoin is going to happen that it goes back to $69,000, we might see Jasmy absolutely taking off. Why not? So that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.